Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best puppy milk replacers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetAg Esbilac Powder Milk Replacer. Our top choice is the PetAg Esbilac simply because we believe that this is the best puppy milk replacer that can offer full nutrition to your newborn puppy. You can feed this straight away to your pup from birth until it reaches 6 weeks. This milk is available in powder form and you can easily make it into milk by adding water. There are also highly palatable recipes provided that include vegetable oils along with dried cream. This provides your puppy with all the valuable nutrients that it needs to grow strong, healthy, active, and smart. Having a protein content of 33% and 40% fat content, the Esbilac Powder Puppy Milk Replacer is definitely what your young puppy needs to be healthy. This puppy milk replacer contains the friendly bacteria Lactobacillus, which produces lactic acid and helps with your pup's digestion. Furthermore, this pet formula is made of carefully selected vitamins and minerals, which are good for your pup's health. Simply mix the milk powder with warm water in a 1:2 ratio, and you will have the liquid milk replacer ready to go. We like PetAg Esbilac a lot because it's the perfect puppy milk replacer that can supplement your pup's needs. In fact, it can also be used to feed dogs that are skinny and require a good source of nutrients for energy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Petlac Milk Powder. For dog owners who are on a tight budget, Petlac Milk Powder is what we would recommend. Offering 28% of fat and 29% protein, this milk formula for pups is what your pet needs to stay active and energized. It contains 0.9 milligrams of iodine for every pound of milk and can be used as a nutritional supplement for lactating and pregnant dogs. When you feed your pup with this milk, your pet will enjoy 389 kcal for every pound of milk that they consume. This comes in the form of powder, which you can make into liquid by simply adding warm water. Fortified with a blend of vitamins and minerals, as well as lactobacillus, this is the puppy milk replacer that can support your young puppy's digestion. We like Petlac Milk Powder for puppies because it's perfectly designed to help nourish rejected or orphaned puppies that can't feed on their mom. At number 3, we have the PetAg Goat's Milk Esbilac. Some veterinary experts think that goat's milk is similar to milk that dogs produce, which is why the Goat's Milk Esbilac from PetAg can be an excellent puppy milk replacer for your pup. Available in powder form, this milk offers balanced nutrition for your younger pups. It contains lots of proteins, as well as soybean oil, and lots of vitamins and minerals. The Esbilac formula has 40% fat and 33% protein and provides your pet with 408 kilocalories for every pound of milk. This puppy milk replacer can also be used to supplement the diet of sickly pets and those that have just gone through surgery. Your beloved pup will surely find this goat milk nutritious, delicious, and appetizing. We like that this milk powder for puppies from PetAg has everything that you need to help your canine friend stay healthy and strong. But aside from the pups, adult dogs can also benefit from this, especially the sickly and convalescing dogs. At number 2, we have the Nutri-Vet Milk Replacement for puppies. The Nutri-Vet Milk Replacer is a great, suitable alternative to the milk that the mother dog can naturally produce for her pup after giving birth. It's exceptionally rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Furthermore, this puppy milk replacer has colostrum and can work well for all breeds of dogs. It offers a perfect balance of antibody molecules, including vitamins and minerals as well as essential electrolytes, which is what every pup would need. This powdered puppy milk has 33% protein and 40% fat. It offers the best milk proteins combined with corn syrup. It's also perfect for the pregnant and lactating pooch and is available in powder form. You just have to add warm water to it to make it into liquid milk that you can feed to the puppy. When feeding this to your pet, your pooch will get 2,472 kilocalories in every pound of milk they drink. From actual customers' feedback, they mention that it tastes just as great as the real mother's milk and won't upset your pooch's sensitive digestive systems. We liked Nutri-Vet's puppy formula because it contains carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals and amino acids that newborn puppies essentially need. Coupled with its OptiGut recipe to improve gut health, in terms of nutrition levels, Nutri-Vet's holistic formula is able to rival against that of a mother dog's colostrum. And finally at number 1, we have the vet's preferred puppy milk replacement dog supplement. This puppy milk replacement formula is a high-fat, high-protein, high-vitamin, and high-mineral formula for puppies. It isn't only great for puppies but also for senior dogs and lactating mothers who aren't getting the nutrition they require at this stage of their growth. The product is made in a GMP-certified facility to assure the highest quality and safety. Since this product was made with natural milk proteins and calcium, it promotes healthy teeth and strong bones to help puppies grow and develop appropriately. The formula combines digestive enzymes and immunoglobulin and is designed to help dogs with weak immune systems, such as pups and senior dogs, stay healthy. Even fussy dogs will like its delicious milky flavor. Because of its natural milky flavor, this puppy milk replacement formula from Vet's Preferred is perfect for a picky furry eater who has a very refined taste of what it wants. Additionally, if you have a puppy or a senior dog who is currently in need of essential nutrients, this supplement may help you regain your dog's healthy state. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.